Hello, in this lesson we will be solving a quadratic equation, one specifically with complex roots. Let's begin by identifying our coefficients. We see here that a is 1, b is -4, and c is +8. We're going to use the quadratic formula. I will write that over here to the right. X equals -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, that is all over 2a. Let's fill in our values. Now we're going to substitute a equals 1, b equals -4, and c equals 8. X equals negative, notice that our b is -4, and close that in parentheses, plus or minus square root, and I'll write all of this out first, and let's fill in the values. We know that b is -4, that's -4 squared, minus 4 times a is 1, and c is +8. This is all over 2 times 1, and we know that a is 1. Carefully, we're going to simplify underneath the square root. Let's go ahead and do that next. X equals a negative being multiplied by a negative is a positive. So we have a double negative, which turns into a +4. Bring down your 4, plus or minus the square root of 4 squared, -4 squared, that is 16, minus 4 times 1 is 4, times 8. That is over 2 times 1, which equals 2. Then we have to bring this down further to keep simplifying. X equals 4, plus or minus, we have the square root of 16 minus 4 times 8 is 32, and that is over 2. We have x equals 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 32 is -16, and that's over 2. Again, x equals 4 plus or minus. Notice that we have the square root of -16, and we know that the square root of -1 is I. The square root of 16 is 4. So this becomes 4i over 2. Now the thing here is that we're going to divide by 2 and write the two solutions. So 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 4 twice, and 2 goes into 4 twice. Writing our two solutions, x1 equals 2 plus 2i, x2 equals 2 minus 2i. Therefore, our final answer equals x equals 2 plus or minus 2i. That is the final answer. Okay, so keep practicing and stay tuned for more calm, clear algebra lessons right here on Math by TV.